Hello guys, hope you're fine. So today I decided to share a very simple recipe. It's grilled lamb, very simple and very easy to do at home. So I accompanied it with pasta and cucumber and tomato vinaigrette salad. What you need is just fresh lamb. Make sure you get very fresh meat, a few spices, and of course for the accompaniment you're going to need some spaghetti and then the cucumber and tomatoes for your salad. So with this specific recipe I used only dry ingredients for our marinade. So in a bowl of oil I added 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I used some beef curry powder, about 1.5 teaspoons, salt, and a little black pepper. So I'm just going to mix everything together in this bowl. You mix it together with the oil and spread it on the lamb, and then I'll let the lamb marinate for about 1 hour. In case you want your meat very soft, you marinate it for long hours, let's say 2 hours or transnight. As you can see, my meat is very clean. Make sure you wash your meat before you marinate it. Pour over the spices and the oil and then rub it on all the pieces of the meat that you have. For the accompaniment, in case you don't want the spaghetti, you can just do mashed potato. It would actually be a very good accompaniment for this, or rice. I've greased my pan with some oil and I'm placing the pieces of the meat on the oven tray. I'm going to let the meat roast for 40 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'll change it on the other side. For the degrees, I used 180 degrees. This is how it looks like after the first 20 minutes. So I'm going to just change it and then we grill it for another 20 minutes. This is like the simplest grilled lamb recipe. Very simple, and you need like the daily spices that you have in your home. You can have it over dinner, you can have it over lunch. Doesn't consume any time. So it's ready. As you can see, it looks very good. The color is very attractive. And what you can do, you can just make a soup on the side and pour it over the grilled lamb ribs. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you've liked the video and hope I'll be sharing more videos with you very soon.